Good morning from Grandfather Farm. Today's Friday. It's about 9 o'clock. It's about 53 degrees. Today I got to keep on working on leveling the garden and get the Jeep ready for Juniper Dunes tomorrow. The Ford is waiting apart. Hopefully it comes in time we get it fixed, because it pulls the hills a lot better than my Chevy pickup pulling the trailer with a Jeep on it. Anyway, got a lot of stuff to do today. Alright, first of all, we'll move this trailer out, get it ready. Not for sure which truck's gonna pull it yet, so we gotta load the Jeep. Get rid of this Cadillac first. But this is a better way to do it than driving all across my grass there with the pickup. Okay, got that in place, out of my way, so when I'm going up and down the hill with the tractor, I just won't use this lane. Bring the truck down here and hook it up once we get it running. Came here to get some alfalfa for the goats. Those pigs are getting excited. I think I'm going to feed them kind of early. There's some grass saying they're not really happy about it. One little pig's eating it. See, what a good little pig. Where you at? Well, you gotta wait. You can eat that grass just as well as you can eat alfalfa. Give you alfalfa a little bit later. Yeah, this flake right here is really skinny, but it's heavy. This was packed pretty tight. I was working on getting the Jeep ready. Got on the trailer. We're hoping to get the Ford fixed. So we're take it instead of the Chevy. The Chevy's got only a small block in it. It doesn't pull the hills very well. And Ford has a 460. Okay, girls. Here's your alfalfa. The little guy goes, I want some too. There. Happy goats. Okay, Odo's taking the roof rack bracket off so he can put the mirror on the hinge. Since we take the doors off, we don't have no mirrors. And we try to make it work together, but it doesn't. Okay, looks like it'll work. It's fine. Me and Selah going down the barn to feed the animals. Alright, these pigs are saying, give me some real hay. Give them some alfalfa. Try to get smashed. See, they like that. Oh. Papa pig running them off. Don't be a hog. Alright, Sal ran in there looking for some ice. Alright, hang on. I got them a flake. I split them between the pigs. Alright, I got 12 chicken eggs and 2 duck eggs. Great job, ladies. Well, Harold's kind of sharing with 3 of the babies. Just knock that one for a loop. Of course, Petunia kicked it all out but one again. Happy family. Need a piglet, let me know. They have to go. Well, still got to get more things done in the Jeep before tonight. But I had to go work in the garden a little bit. See, I had them eating over there the fence, but these girls won't leave them alone. They're jealous if they only get a bottle. Randy, that's enough. Poor little goat. Molly's not as bad. Look at this. Randy, that's enough. You can't have that. Well, all I know is pressure washing the Ford, he got it fixed. He got to take the stuff out of it, put it in the Chevy, and then hook the Ford up to the trailer, tie down the Jeep. We'll be that much closer to being ready to go to Juniper. Well, about time the sun comes out. It's going to be dark here pretty quick. Alright, that was dark. I'll give a grain to the pigs. We'll call it night. We got an early morning to go. Okay, the chores are all done. It's been a long day moving dirt, getting the YJ ready for Juniper Dunes tomorrow. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great night.